Hello everyone, I am Preeti Chaudhary, student of Pharmaceutical Management at NIPER Hyderabad, and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. So, hope you guys are doing well and enjoying. Yes, enjoy, because finally we have got the most awaited vaccine of this decade. Serum Institute of India and Bharat Biotech are the two major players that we have heard throughout this pandemic. But apart from these two companies, there are many other companies that joined this revolution of fight against COVID-19 and end this up by giving a potential vaccine for the mankind. On that list, we have a company named AstraZeneca. You must have heard about it. So today, I would take you through the analysis of the company, its achievements, its SWOT analysis, and how the company joined the fight against COVID-19. AstraZeneca is a Swedish-British multinational company headquartered in Cambridge, United Kingdom. The company was founded in 1999 by the merger of Swedish Astra AB and British Zeneca Group. Since the merger, the company has been a leading player in the pharmaceutical sector and have seen many mergers and acquisitions since then. AstraZeneca has a product portfolio on the major disease area including cancer, cardiovascular diseases, inflammation, respiratory and gastrointestinal infection. The company is of worth $137.7 billion with a total sales of $24.4 billion for the year of 2020 and a profit of $2.4 billion. Moving on to the achievements or accomplishments of the company. AstraZeneca is a science global biopharmaceutical company and have their innovative medications used by millions of patients worldwide. The company is very much inclined towards sustainable development as they announced the zero carbon strategy or ambition in the World Economic Forum in January 2020. The company also won the top organization award from an NGO named as My Green Lab for reducing their consumption of energy and water by 23% and which they aim to reduce to 70% by the year of 2025. They have also launched a project as their corporate social responsibility named as AZ Forest, under which the company aimed to plant 50 million trees by the year of 2025. Moving on to the SWOT analysis of the company. Strengths of AstraZeneca. The company, with a highly dedicated customer management department, have a very high level of customer satisfaction. They have a good returns on capital expenditure. They have strong distribution network along with a strong brand portfolio. Also, they are very highly successful on the go-to strategies for the launch of their projects. Moving on to the weakness of the company or areas of improvement of AstraZeneca. There are a slight gap in the product range sold by the company that can give a foothold for the new competitor. Also, due to their stringent work culture, they have faced many problems in moving to the different sectors of the market. Looking on to the opportunities for the company already took an opportunity in form of COVID-19 to develop a vaccine and serve the mankind. Apart from this, the company can use new technology and practice a differentiated pricing strategy that can lead them to a new market and also lure new customers for them. Moving on to the threats of the company, local distributors due to their distribution network and other competitors like Pfizer and GSK can be a threat to the company due to their competition. Apart from this, no regular supply of innovation can be a threat for the company as they thrive for innovation and they are known for their innovative medications. Now let's have a look how the company joined the fight against COVID-19 and took it as a challenge. AstraZeneca joined the COVAX facility that is started where different governments and different companies worldwide provided a platform to join the fight and to manufacture the vaccine so that it could be provided to each and every person, whoever they are and wherever they are. The coronavirus vaccine of AstraZeneca, named as AZD1222, finally got its approval in India as well as in Argentina, Morocco and Mexico for the immunization in adults. The vaccine showed good results in clinical trials to be safe and efficacious. So, this was about the company AstraZeneca. Hope you guys like my video. If you find my video useful, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel and share your valuable suggestions in the comment section. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay connected.